There we go.
No. You have to eat 5 of these.
It's a race for you want the drumsticks, buddy. It's going to make it a lot easier.
Yeah, find all the drumsticks.
The hands are shaking.
You a little nervous? It's cool. You might want to dip that in ranch. Yeah, where's
You
can do it, Barry. Come on.
Put it in your mouth.
In your mouth.
You got that is question.
That is question.
Nah, shit.
He's shrugging. He might want to do the first chomp.
Yeah.
Everyone shrugs the first one. Yep.
Yeah, I'm doing that a lot faster.
Yep, I would have gone a lot faster too.
He's like, I need to enjoy my
Don't
pain.
clean the chicken. Just keep going. Yeah.
Gotta do better.
If you like it so much you want to clean the chicken, you can do it later. You guys fun. Oh, there you go. Come on. Yeah.
Swallow it. Oh, God.
Are you putting now already? No, he can't. Come on. Peer pressure.
You need more work.
Oh, come on.
Don't touch your
I'm not touching my face. I can't feel my face.
Come on.
No, I'm not going to be stupid.
Oh, come on.
You have to be paid for them.
Come on, Lewis. Can you
Go.
Come on, Lewis. Don't think about it. Yeah.
Go.
Sucker for punishment. Come on, take that pepper spray you're supposed to get. This is it. Yummy. Oh, next one.
Yeah, baby.
Number 2. Come on. Yeah. Be real mad. Okay, 2 for Lewis. 1 for, what was his name? Dylan.
Come on, Dylan.
Come on, Dylan.
Come on, Lewis. You got this.
Come on, man. What are you on, 3? Oh, yes, come on. Oh, come on.
Puke in this.
Yeah, here's one for you.
So much on them.
What is that number for you, Lewis?
3. This will be number 4.
Come
One more.
on, buddy.
And go.
Come on.
And go.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think he's the best one so far.
Oh, he is.
Yeah, 4.
I'm not seeing any.
Yeah, you got this. Put your game face on. Yeah, come on. You're paying for those wings right now, man. Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes. You are the champion. Yeah. Oh, come on. Take a bite out of another one. Let him finish this. Let him swallow.
Yeah, let him go. Very good call. Swallow.
Lewis is trying. Lewis got 5 down. He's going up.
You're better the man than I am. He's over.
Oh, should I get some milk? Yeah, he's going to want some milk.
Yeah.
Here, continue filming for me.
Go.
That's right, baby. Lewis, you're the king, man.
No, this is it, man. That was 5. That was the deal.
Alright, so maybe get him some milk.
Oh man.
Give me like a bump on the thing, you know.
Alright, The milk is coming.
That was 12.
Don't
Yeah.
touch your face.
Give me your face. Give me a smile.
He's in so much pain right now.
Just a lot. It's gonna burn for a while.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Dude, it's such a smart idea, Louis. It's such a smart idea. It's not even funny.
Fingers.
I got nothing better to do, man.
Can I have some milk?
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, it's coming.
Have you eaten them all?
He ate 5.
Wait, where's you guys the rest?
One was eaten by, 2 was eaten by somebody else, and 1 was eaten by one person. This man ate 5. He was trying to get him to go on the 6th, but he was like, I'm not doing it.
Just do it. Do it.
It's a thing. Come on, baby.
Come on. Went so far.
You got one left.
We just got
Here,
one
take a
left.
little sip.
You got one left.
You can chug that.
No, don't chug it.
Don't chug it.
Don't chug it. Put it in your mouth. Don't
Yeah.
chug it.
Sip it.
Just in there.
How do you make it recording?
Give me a few minutes to get
You don't want to be this. You really don't.
If you wait a few minutes,
You want to take a couple of strikes and then just go. Strikes and then just go. Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Come on, come on.
Come on, baby. Yeah, Louis, come on.
I hate you guys.
Oh, good.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God, shake it.
I'm gonna get out of the way. All right, dude. What was that? What number?
That was
Started on 6.
He wins. You win so far. Yeah.
Alright. Next swing night, I'm gonna do this.
Oh yeah? Next time, my boss is gonna be here too.
Say that again.
Next swing night, I'm gonna do it.
Next Tuesday night, what are you doing?
I'm eating Cancun wings.
How do you feel about this?
Okay.
The king.
Very nice.
I think someone should get the camera on. He got big. You got 5.5. 5.5.
Bathroom. 6.